Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury living meets iconic design. If you love private estates, high-end architecture, and dream homes that redefine elegance, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a tour. Today, we're taking you inside a private gated all-brick luxury estate, a stunning property designed for those who appreciate space, privacy, and timeless sophistication. This home is not just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. As we approach the property, notice the grand gated entrance that instantly sets the tone. The long private driveway leads us to a beautifully designed residence featuring a black and gray exterior, clean architectural lines, and a commanding presence. From the very first glance, this estate delivers luxury with confidence. Let's begin with a drone day view. From above, you can truly appreciate the scale of this home. The perfectly landscaped grounds, the symmetry of the architecture, and the privacy of the lot make this estate feel like a personal retreat. This is the kind of property that stands out even among other luxury homes. Now, let's step inside. The grand entryway welcomes you with double-height ceilings, polished floors, and refined finishes. Natural light flows effortlessly through oversized windows, highlighting the elegant black and gray color palette used throughout the home. Every detail here feels intentional, modern, and premium. To one side, we find a private prayer room, a calm, peaceful space designed for reflection and mindfulness. The soft lighting, minimalist design, and quiet atmosphere make this room truly special. It's rare to see such a thoughtfully designed spiritual space in a luxury estate, and it adds meaningful value to the home. Moving forward, we enter the main living room. This space is open, expansive, and perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame beautiful outdoor views, while the modern fireplace and custom finishes create a warm yet upscale ambiance. This is where comfort meets luxury. Next is the formal dining area, designed to host memorable dinners and elegant gatherings. The statement dining table, modern lighting, and open layout make this space ideal for entertaining guests in style. Whether it's a quiet family dinner or a large celebration, this room is built to impress. The kitchen is a true showstopper. Featuring sleek black cabinetry, gray marble countertops, and top-of-the-line built-in appliances, this kitchen blends functionality with modern design. The large island provides additional seating and workspace, making it perfect for both cooking and socializing. This is a chef's dream kitchen. Just beyond the kitchen, we have a comfortable TV lounge, designed for relaxation. With ambient lighting, plush seating, and a cinematic feel, this space is perfect for movie nights or unwinding after a long day. Now let's explore the bedrooms. The primary suite is nothing short of exceptional. Spacious, elegant, and filled with natural light, it features a refined black and gray design, a luxurious sleeping area, and plenty of room to relax. This bedroom truly feels like a private hotel suite. The bathrooms throughout the home continue the luxury theme, featuring spa-like finishes, glass showers, modern vanities, and high-end materials. Every bathroom is designed to offer comfort, style, and a sense of calm. For fitness lovers, this estate includes a private home gym. Equipped with modern workout equipment and sleek design elements, it's the perfect space to stay active without ever leaving home. The garage is equally impressive, offering ample space and a clean, modern layout. Whether you have luxury vehicles or need extra storage, this garage delivers both function and style. Finally, let's step outside to the outdoor living area and swimming pool. The pool is surrounded by elegant decking and complements the home's modern aesthetic perfectly. This space is ideal for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the outdoors in total privacy. This private gated estate truly represents the essence of luxury living: space, design, comfort, and exclusivity all in one remarkable home. Thank you for touring this incredible property with American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let us know in the comments, would you live in a home like this? Until the next luxury tour, we'll see you soon.